setup is stupid. Look at all these fights, bro. These are art. This is art, bro. Right?
You didn't let my phone in my car. Fucking vipers and shit, bro.
Judge Cars back with another video, man. And before I start this video, make sure y'all follow the gram, Vandalize G, and subscribe to the channel. Do all that. We got my boy Asim. Got the Miata looking. That shit needs to get clean. My boy. Y'all seen this car before. Got them intakes in there. You got new brakes? Or new rotors at least? I don't know if y'all can see them intakes in there, but are they still up there?
Yeah, they're still in there.
I can't even tell. But yeah, we definitely did the intakes on this. If y'all haven't checked that video out, make sure y'all check it out. But he ended up buying the lip spoiler thing instead of the giveaway. So y'all we'll be getting a video of putting it on installation instead. So honestly, these things honestly get put on with 3M. It's super easy. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm not even gonna show the process of putting it on the 3M, but I guess I'll show you the process of just putting it on, sticking it on there. Obviously, you have to clean around the car so that damn thing sticks. Other than that, I'm about to just tape it up real quick and be right back. So stay tuned. There you go. Alright, so we got the 3M all trying to get it stuck up there. But we got most of it stuck. So we got, like, gee, people be like, why are you using 3M for these? Because there's no way, you're not going to drill holes into carbon fiber. Like, it's carbon fiber. This is like plastic, you know? So you have to, and it's really light. A lot of people don't realize that. It's super light, and it's like, literally like, once again, y'all hear this? Y'all hear this? It's plastic. It's literally plastic. It's light as ever. That's why you use 3M for this. So don't come at me for using 3M. You're supposed to. Well, from what I know of. So honestly, from there, you just line it up with the cam. Try to get it on just one stick without fucking up. Try to get it on as tight as possible. And it is cold outside right now, so it's gonna take a minute. The most part is thicker. It usually sticks on contact low-key. Like, this is like extreme tape or some shit by 3M Scotch or whatever, so that's what I usually like to get, or that they usually come with them, but this is obviously used, so yeah, literally up there and stuck in. So he did buy the lip. Make sure you guys follow him on the gram. Go on his gram. This mug looks decent, but here I low-key will be doing other giveaways since he ended up taking this off you guys' hands. I will do more giveaways. I already done an exhaust giveaway. Maybe we could do another something. So just stay tuned. I don't know. I'll probably do it pretty soon. I don't know when I'll do it, but this mug looks clean. I'm lucky mad that I have one. If I didn't have one already, it would have been on mine, but he got lucky. He got lucky. He took that from y'all. Yeah, he took it all. He took it from you. Look, he's drilling right now. Yeah, look, it's a stick. It's good. Like, you're straight. You're straight. Yeah, that definitely gives it a little perk. That definitely looks nice.
Oh, big vibe.
Yeah, that definitely looks decent. All right, y'all. I am actually in the Suburban right now. I just wanted to end the video because I don't think I really ended it. But I honestly only sold the lip just because convenience, and it's just way more convenient instead of getting a lot of people to just come and raffle it off. He basically just offered to pay it right off, and then we've already done stuff. If you haven't checked out, once again we did those Z1 intakes. So we installed those on his car, and I knew him already, so he just hit me up to buy it, and a couple of you guys actually did hit me up to just buy it right out. And thank you to everybody who actually tried to enter in the giveaway. I will be doing more giveaways, so don't trip on that little lip. That was like something that just popped out. Like I literally got it that day, that morning, and I just decided to do a giveaway or something on it. But you know, stuff happens. Like I'm usually working during the week, so like I'm not usually doing YouTube and stuff during the week as much, but that's like basically the reason. It was just like a headache to just get out of my way, instead of, you know, finding somebody raffling and picking that. But lately I would literally do something bigger later. Just stay in tune, stay on the channel, keep watching, keep doing all that. I'm gonna keep doing more with the G, and yeah, we're gonna just keep grinding. But you know, we gotta work to grind too right now, so it's just all a grind. But most definitely follow the gram. Once again, I'm gonna say follow the gram because I literally post on there every single day, so you will get content on the G every day. I try to post on TikTok as much as I can, but I'm not even driving my G right now. I'm at work and I'm in the Suburban, so that just goes to show, like, what am I gonna do with the Suburban right now? Y'all want to see the Suburban? Let me know. But really, I have nothing left to say. This was really not supposed to be like a decent long video or anything, but it ended up being what, 7-minute video or something. So nothing really left to say. I hope you guys understood that. Yeah, Subi. Nothing left to say. Judge you out.